How to activate Wells Fargo credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. In order to do so, let's just get started with the video. So what you may do is first of all head over to wellsfargo.com for that, and once you are there, you can go ahead and confirm your new card. For that, sign on first, tap on sign on and just go on with the process of signing on into your account. Use your credentials for your online account first. Go ahead and provide in the necessary details here in this designated field and tap on sign on and go ahead and access your account. After that, just go ahead and go to the activate your card section, and there you can activate it. Apart from that, you can confirm with few details such as your card number in your physical card. Just go ahead and provide it up, and your social security number, and right below it the date of birth and your social security number again here, or your ITIN. Just go ahead and provide it up and confirm it. And that way also you can go ahead and activate a card, or even activate it through the toll-free number available in your new card. So just go ahead and follow up the process, and that way you can activate your Wells Fargo credit card online as well. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions, you can comment down below.